So today's practical is separation of amino acid by circular paper chromatography. Okay. You all know about the principle of chromatography. Chromo is color and graphy is measuring. The principle of this is particular RF value of different amino acid being different. For example, the RF value is different of phenylalanine, alanine, arginine and whatever the other amino acids. Our requirement for this practical is Wortmann filter paper number 1, standard amino acid solution and mixture. Here we are taking the phenylalanine, alanine and arginine as a standard amino acid, and mixture is all three, combination of all three amino acids. The solvent system is 4:1:5. So 4 ml of butanol, 1 ml acetic acid and 5 ml water as per our requirement. Okay. The solvent system vigorously first mix it, all of this, vigorously shake it for 5 to 10 minutes. The upper phase is used as a solvent system and the lower phase is used as a to saturate the chamber, chromatographic chamber. So the chromatographic chamber. Then developing reagent, here is amino acids are there, so the developing reagent is 0.2% ninhydrine, that is prepared in acetone. If it is our sample is carbohydrate, then the developing reagent is 1% KMnO4. Okay. Then hair dryer to dry the standard amino acid solution sport. Protocol is main 4 steps are there. Preparation of solvent system. This is our solvent system, butanol, acetic acid and water. The lower phase is used as a saturate the chromatographic chamber and upper phase is used as solvent system. Then preparation of chromatographic paper according to the chromatographic chamber. Here we are cutting the chromatographic paper. Okay. For example, 23.5 and center, draw the center and make it the spot of different amino acids. Then running of chromatography. After making the spot, we are giving time to run that chromatogram. And the last one is development of chromatogram. So after running, we are adding the developing reagent ninhydrine, and the purple spot we are finding. By that we can calculate the RF value. RF value is distance traveled by solute amino acids divided by distance traveled by solute. Okay, clear? Thank you.